How does big data improve campaign competitive analysis? Imagine trying to win a race without knowing where your competitors are or how fast they're going. Big data changes that game by giving campaign teams a clear picture of the race in real time. It's like having a GPS for your campaign strategy. Big data involves collecting huge amounts of information from many sources like social media, public records, polling data, donation records, and online engagement. When analyzed with advanced tools, it reveals patterns and trends that traditional methods might miss. In campaign strategy and competitive landscape mapping, big data helps teams understand their opponents better. Instead of just guessing, they can see how opponents are messaging, how much money they're raising, and how voters or donors are engaging with them. This real-time info shows what's working for competitors and what's not, so campaigns can adjust quickly. It also helps identify which voter groups or regions are most responsive, so resources like canvassing and advertising can be focused where they matter most. Big data also allows campaigns to track shifts in voter sentiment or donor priorities over time. By analyzing past and current data, teams can anticipate changes and plan ahead instead of reacting after the fact. This proactive approach can give a campaign an edge in staying ahead of the curve. It also helps optimize resource use by showing where efforts will have the biggest impact, saving money and time. Another major benefit is real-time decision-making. Streaming data from social media, website traffic, or fundraising platforms can tell campaign managers what's working right now. If a message resonates, they can amplify it immediately. If a tactic isn't working, they can pivot without delay. Big data also improves fundraising by revealing donor preferences and behaviors. Campaigns can tailor their appeals, choose the best moments to ask for donations, and decide which incentives will motivate different donor segments. Benchmark is another key advantage. Campaigns can compare their fundraising and engagement metrics against competitors, spotting gaps and opportunities. For example, if a rival is gaining ground with a certain voter demographic, campaigns can adjust their messaging or outreach to target that group more effectively. In practical terms, campaigns often combine data from voter files, social media sentiment, past donation records, and event attendance to create a detailed map of the competitive landscape. This map highlights where opponents are gaining support, which voter segments are underserved, and how fundraising efforts compare across regions. Overall, big data turns competitive analysis from a slow, backward-looking process into a fast, forward-looking tool. It helps campaigns stay agile, make smarter choices, and connect more effectively with supporters. This means better strategies, more engaged voters, and ultimately, a stronger chance of success.